Let's start paddle this thing. A lot of rocks underneath my kayak. I'm gonna kill a couple hours fishing here at Pine Flat Lake or Pine Flat Reservoir. So that's the boat launch over there. Boat launch over there, and that's where my caught at. So this is where all the houseboats at in the first boat launch. This is the first boat launch here. Which is this a marina? Yeah. Alright. That's it. So I'm gonna turn back. I'm gonna go do some fishing because I only got like a couple hours to kill. Alright. So that's where we're gonna go do some fishing over there in the corner. Uh-oh. Nice. It's gone. Oh, looks nice here. I'm gonna start tying my fishing line and then start do some fishing. Oh yeah, taking it. Oh damn it, missed it. Got one. Coming that way. Oh yeah. Oh, oh. It's gonna be a good one. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, my boat's moving. Alright. Let's check this guy out. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah. Look at that. It's kind of windy, so the kayak keep moving and it's kind of hard to fish, but well, this is my first catch of the day. Little bass. See ya. Alright, let's stay here, this bush here a little bit. Maybe this there's crappie in there. Let's check it out. Let's take it to the shore. I was trolling here and then I caught something here. What the? Huh. Check this out. I was trolling and I caught a big old bluegill. Alright, Mr. Bluegill. There you go. See ya. Got another one. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Oh, my stupid wind's pulling me back. Alright. Oh yeah. There it is. Bessie. Not as big as the first one I caught. It's a little bit smaller. Yeah, it's a little bit smaller. It's a little bit smaller, but still a catch though. Alright. Here we go. It's the best. Oh yeah. Alright, that made my day. Caught 3 so far. See you later, Pine Flat. Couple hours fishing, but now I'm leaving. Gotta go home. La 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 la. Oh yeah. Alright guys, that's it. Bye.